Locus Part 3.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first one. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the difference of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. So, see here solution. So, first let px comma y be the any point on the locus and a minus 5 comma 0 b 5 comma 0. So here given condition. So here the equation of locus of p, the differences whose distances from a and b is 8. That means pa minus pb is equals to 8. Here we have to take mod. So because of distance is positive, so that's why here we have to take mod. So because of, for example, PA distance is 4 and PB distance is 6. So clearly 4 minus 6 is negative. So that's why here I am taking mod. Okay. Now here you have to remove the mod. What you get? PA minus PB is equals to plus or minus 8. Now send this PB right side. So this becomes PA is equals to plus or minus 8 plus PB. Now squaring on both sides. So what you get? PA square is equals to plus or minus 8 plus PB whole square. So clear this is what? PA square is equal to 64 plus PB square plus or minus 16 PB. Now this is again PA square minus PB square is equal to 64 plus or minus 16 PB. Here PA and PB are distance between 2 points. So here we have to apply distance between 2 points formula. See here PA. So clear that is x plus 5 whole square and y minus 0 whole square minus PB square, that is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This is 64 plus or minus 16 PB. Okay. So here plus y minus 0 whole square minus y minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Now what is the remaining value? X square plus 25 plus 10x and minus of this x square plus 25 minus 10x is equal to your 4 is common. What you get? 4 16 plus or minus 4 PB. Okay. So x square minus x square plus 25 minus 25 get cancelled. So here 10x plus 10x you will get 20x. This is equal to 4 into 16 plus or minus 4 PB. So 4 1 4 5. Okay. Now this is 5x minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 4b. Now again squaring on both sides. So see here 5x minus 16 whole square is equal. So this is 16 pb square. Now this is what? 25x square plus 256. Next minus 160x is equal to 16 into pb square. So what is pb square? X minus 5 whole square plus y square. Now again this is 25x square plus 256 minus 160x is equal to 16 into. So simplify this. What you get? X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. Okay. So here 25x square minus 16x square. You will get 9x square. And here 16y square. Send left side, then it becomes minus 16y square. So here minus 160x here, minus 160x. Both will be get cancelled. and here 16 into 25, 400 minus 256, that is 144. Now divide with 144. So what you get? So here x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equals to 1. This is the required locus of P. So see the question number 2. Find the equation of the locus of P if A and B are given and modulus of PA minus PB is equals to 4. That is the given condition. So see your solution. Given A 4, 0, B minus 4, 0. See here let P x, y be the any point on the locus. So what is the given condition? See our given condition, that is modulus of PA minus PB is equals to 4. Now clear, this is PA minus PB is equals to plus or minus 4. If you remove 1, you will get plus or minus. Now PA is equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB. Now squaring on both sides. So what you get? PA square is equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square. Now this is PA square is equal to 16 plus PB square plus 2AB, that is plus or minus 8 PB. So here PA denotes the distance between P and A. So clear, that is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 plus PB, distance between P and B, that is x plus 4 whole square, next plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 8 PB. So clearly y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Now this is x minus 4 whole square minus x plus 4 whole square. Here 16 plus or minus 8 PB. Okay. So clear it in the form of a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. So clear you will get a minus 4ab. So that is minus 4 into 4, 16x. So this is equal. So here 8 is common. You will get 2 plus or minus pb. So 8 1 j, 8 2 j. Okay. So clearly minus 2x, this is equals to 2 plus or minus pb. Okay. Now again this is minus 2x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus pb. So squaring on both sides. So what you get? Minus 2x minus 2 whole square pb square. This is 4x square plus 4 plus 8x. So what is pb square? See here pb square value is this one. See here pb denotes the distance between p and b, that is x plus 4 whole square y minus 0, that is y square. Now clearly 4x square plus 4 plus 8x is equal to x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square. So clearly 8x get cancelled. 4x square minus x square is 3x square and minus y square 16 minus 4, that is 12. So divide with 12, you will get x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equals to 1. So this is the required locus of P. So see the next question. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the sum of whose distance from 0, 2 and 0, minus 2 is 6. So see here, first let Px, y be the any point on the locus. Okay. And A 0, 2, B 0, minus 2. So these are the given points. And what is the given condition? So see here, find the equation of locus of a point and the sum of whose distance from A and B is 6. That means PA plus PB is equal to 6. Now PA is equal to 6 minus PB. Now squaring on both sides. That is PA square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. Now this is PA square is equal to 36 plus PB square minus 12 PB. So what is PA? So PA denotes the distance between 2 points, that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 36 plus PB. So that is x minus 0 whole square y plus 2 whole square. Okay. So minus 12 PB. Okay. So x minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Now this is y minus 2 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 36 minus 12 PB. So it in the form of a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square, that is minus 4ab. So clearly a is y and b is 2. So this is minus 4 into 2 into y, that is 8y. So here 4 is common. You will get 9 minus 3b. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So clearly this is what? Minus 2y. So that is equals to 9 minus 3 PB. Okay. Now this is what? Minus 2y minus 9 is equal to minus 3 PB. So squaring on both sides. That is minus 2y minus 9 whole square is equal to 9 PB square. So it in the form of a minus b whole square. So clear this is 4y square plus 81 plus 36y is equals to 9 into PB square. So PB square is what? See here, distance between P and B, that is x minus 0, x square plus y plus 2 whole square. Now clearly 4y square plus 81 plus 36y is equal to 9x square plus 9 into y square plus 4 plus 4y. Okay. So clearly 36y here, 9 into 4, 36y. So get cancelled. Next this is 9x square. So here 9y square minus 4y square, that is plus 5y square. Next here 81 minus 36, that is 40y. Now clear this, divide with, now here divide with 45, what you get? X square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. So this is the required locus of P. So see the question number 4. Find the equation of locus of P if A and B are given and given condition PA plus PB equal to 8. So here first let Px comma y be the any point on the locus. And given A 2 comma 3, B 2 comma minus 3. Given condition. So what is the given condition here? PA plus PB is equals to 8. Okay. So clearly this is what? PA is equal to 8 minus PB. So you are squaring on both sides. So what you get? PA square is equal to 8 minus PB whole square. So here this is PA square is equal to 64 plus PB square minus 16 PB. So here PA denotes the distance between P and A, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So this is equals to 64 plus PB square. So that is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square minus 16 PB. See here x minus 2 whole square get cancelled. Now y minus 3 whole square minus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 64 minus 16 PB. So it in the form of a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. This is minus 4ab. So clearly minus 4 into 3 into y, that is minus 12y. So here 4 is common. What you get? 4 16 ja minus 4 4 j. Okay. So 4 1 ja 4 3 j. So clearly this is what? Minus 3y. This is equals to 16 minus 4b. See here this is, so send this one right side and this one left side. So then it becomes 4pb is equal to 16 plus 3y. Now again squaring on both sides. So this is 16pb square. This is equal to 16 plus 3y whole square. See here 16 into pb square. So what is pb square? Distance between p and b. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3. That is y plus 3 whole square is equal to 16 square 256 plus 3y whole square, that is 9y square plus 2ab. So that is 96y. Okay. Now this is 16 into x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. Here 16 into 6y, 96y here plus 96y get cancelled. Now this is 16x square. Here 16y square minus 9y square, that is plus 7y square. Now minus, see here 16 into 4 minus 64x. This is 16 into 13 minus 256. So clearly this is minus 48 is equals to 0. So this is the required locus of P. So for next session we will discuss new chapter.